Hi, XLOOKUP is a new function which has come with Office 365. I will explain quickly how to use XLOOKUP and what is the advantage of using XLOOKUP, and we'll make quick comparison between XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Okay, suppose I have the employee records. I want to find the employee information using his name. I will start with ID number. So I have the table, I have full table of full employee information. I want to find the employee name, the employee information using his name. Okay, so I will start finding the ID number using XLOOKUP. So we'll start with equal XLOOKUP, open bracket. Now lookup value is the value which I'm looking for, which is the employee name in this case, comma. Now lookup array, not as in VLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP I have to select the full table. This is not the case here. In XLOOKUP I have to select only the column where is the information I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm selecting the name column, the column name. Okay, comma, return array. Okay, now with which information you want Excel to come back? In my case, I want to come back with ID number, so I have to select the column of ID number alone. I selected the ID number alone. Okay, so we can find something new here, not existing in VLOOKUP, which is if not found. In VLOOKUP, if not found, it will give you NA error. In this case, if nothing selected here, then you will get NA error. But you can, if not found, you can put any statement you want. You can say no match. What more we have? We have the match mode. We will take exact match. We will not go in detail now. So what we have more, we have also additional parameter, which is search mode. You can search. If you put one, it will search from first to last. If you put -1, it will search from last to first. Okay, this will make difference if you have duplicated value. If you don't have duplicated value, then it's same. Okay, so I'm selecting one and enter. Okay, so I can see the name Ahmad. I can see I got his ID number. Okay, same way I can get the phone number. I will copy the formula quickly. Okay, I'm going to move this totally to the phone number, enter. Okay, so Ahmad is here using XLOOKUP. If I change Ahmad to Sarah, so I'm going to find Sarah ID number and phone number. Okay, now quickly, what about the search mode? The search mode from, if I change it to -1, so it will be searched from last to first. Okay, so I'm changing to -1. Sorry, what I did. So I'm to -1. And this case also I'm changing to -1. And to notice the difference, we have to select Ahmad because Sarah is not duplicated. So in this case, if I selected Ahmad, so it will start search from 5 to 1, from last to beginning. Okay, so it will give me this Ahmad, this one, not this one. It will search from here and give me the result of first Ahmad he find. Okay, so I'm going to put Ahmad. So you can see here ID number of this one and phone number of this one. Okay, now one quick thing, comparing to VLOOKUP. See what I put for the number. In VLOOKUP I put for the number question mark. Mean VLOOKUP will not be able to give you the number. Why? Because in VLOOKUP, all the information should be on the right of the lookup value. Any information I want to come back with should be on the right. You cannot take anything in the left. This is not the case in XLOOKUP. You don't believe? Okay. XLOOKUP, I want to find the serial number, lookup value, this one, comma, lookup array, this one. Now the return array, simply select this one. Okay. Ta-da! So you got what? You got number 2. Why I got number 2? Because I left the search mode default search mode. Okay, I left the search mode like default search mode. But if I change it to match whatever I'm doing for the ID number and phone number, if I change it, so this one exact match. Now I want to change the search mode. I will take -1 and enter. Okay, so the number is duplicated, so I will put this one like, I will change this one to 5. So now since I'm using -1 search from last to first, so Ahmed has selected as this Ahmed number 5, not Ahmed number 2. Now I want to check if there is no match. If there is no match, okay, it will tell you no match. It will not give you error. But in VLOOKUP, if there is no match in VLOOKUP, you will get NA error. Okay, so quickly I will match with VLOOKUP. I already have VLOOKUP. I suppose everyone know about VLOOKUP. I will not spend time explaining VLOOKUP. Okay, I'm taking Nisreen, same value which I'm using for XLOOKUP. So first thing, as you can see, VLOOKUP cannot find any information on the left of the lookup value. It cannot, you cannot get the number using VLOOKUP. This is one point. Another point, in VLOOKUP you have to select the full table, and this case we have small table, but if you have big table, if you have table of like 100 column and 50 row, then selecting the full table is big problem. Another issue, to know the return array, the return information, you have to select the column index, and to select the column index you have to count 1, 2, 3, and same as I said, I have only 3 here, but if I have 50 column, so counting is big problem. Okay, the last thing, the last advantage for the XLOOKUP, and that's why Microsoft brought this new function to Office 365. The big problem in VLOOKUP, and everyone know, if after I take in VLOOKUP, if I insert any column, check what will happen now for VLOOKUP and check what will happen for XLOOKUP. See, VLOOKUP, the value now is no longer correct. XLOOKUP, nothing has been changed. So with XLOOKUP, you can add column whatever or as much as you want, you can add column for XLOOKUP. Okay, so the last point I want to highlight also about XLOOKUP, that XLOOKUP can work instead of VLOOKUP and instead of HLOOKUP. That's why they call it XLOOKUP. Okay, so also, even suppose if your information are arranged by rows, not by columns. See, in this case, my information like the name, the number are arranged by rows, and you want to find any value, so you can use also XLOOKUP. So you no longer need any another lookup. Okay, so I say equal XLOOKUP. open bracket, find this name, comma, where you want me to find, I can select the row, not the column, and return array is this array. I can select the line, the row, not the column. Consider the balance parameter are default, then enter. See, I can see the XLOOKUP work for HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP with so much advantage. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.